Checkers, what's your favorite thing to drink in the wintertime? Hot chocolate. Should we draw some? Yes, alright, let's do it. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You got your marker and get paper in front of you. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do? Pause the video. Yes, you can always pause the video to take extra time. Okay, let's draw the top of our hot chocolate first. So we're gonna draw a curve. It looks like a smile, and we're gonna draw it right in the middle of our paper, and we're gonna draw it like this. We're gonna come down and then back up. Okay, now floating inside of the hot chocolate we're gonna have two marshmallow buddies, haha. So we're gonna draw, we're right here, we're gonna draw a line that comes up, over and down. Yeah, good job. Okay, now down at the bottom let's connect the two lines with a curve.
So this is one marshmallow. Okay, let's try another marshmallow. We're gonna draw overlapping, this one's gonna be behind it, so we're gonna draw that same shape.
And down. Good, and then we'll connect the bottom of that one. With a curve also, good job. Okay, now let's draw the top of our marshmallows. We're gonna draw just a little curve so it looks 3D up at the top, good, and then we can draw another one on this one too. Okay, now let's give him some faces so they look funny. Okay, alright, this first one let's just draw. We'll draw a little eye over here on the side and another eye over here. Kind of far apart, and then we can draw a little mouth. Okay, and then let's draw a little mouth in between, and I'm gonna draw a little U shape, big U shape, haha, it's funny marshmallow, haha, and then I'm gonna color the top of his mouth and leave the bottom white. And then I'm gonna color the top of his mouth and leave the bottom white on the other marshmallow. Let's draw upside down U, two upside down U's for the eyes, and then let's draw a smile U. There we go, they're happy. Okay, let's draw a straw sticking out of our hot chocolate. So we're gonna draw a really long line comes down into our hot chocolate.